Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm Eddie from Always Be Fun. Nice to see you again. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel, like and share our video. This RG350 no more introduced. Most of the time I will keep my game console into my jeans pocket to bring it so I'm able to play around when I need it. But because of this joystick, it always make me difficult to keep into my tight jeans. For me, RG350 analog stick is not bad, but what I don't like is this analog stick is a bit too high. So today I would like to replace it by 3DS joystick. So let's get started. This is the tools and parts that we need for our 3DS joystick. A phone tape, Phillips screwdriver, our RG350 console, converter board, joystick, joystick cap, and screw. So I will replace both of the joystick, so that's why I need two joystick and two converter board. We also need a cutter. You can use a plier or any cutter. First, we need to remove the 4 screws by using a Phillips screwdriver. When you remove the back cover, just a bit more careful because the battery connector, we need to disconnect it. Now we will remove total of 8 screws from joystick board. So this is the joystick, the original analog stick for RG350. We need to trim a bit of the parts over here to remove those unnecessary. You can use a small cutter. Okay, first remove this. Here. and two dots over here. We just need to cut. Once we're done for the cell case, we need to cut a bit of this converter board. I will suggest you to cut from here. Yes. I already draw a red line, so we will cut from the red line. Now we need to go for next step. We need to cut a phone tape. We stick a phone tape over here, and we will stick our before we stick our joystick, we need to remove these two screw bracket, so I will need to cut. This side you need to be careful because of the ribbon cable. Okay, now we can stick it to the board. Once we're done, we're able to put our you may need to adjust it accordingly. If let's say you see now this I feel a bit tight because of the joystick, so I need to adjust it. Yes. We need to trim this bracket also. Just need to adjust and until you get the right alignment for it. Once we align the joystick to the center, we can tighten the screw. Also same for another side, so we just need to trim those unnecessary. Here the two dot, here also this side. Now we insert our cable ribbon to the connector. Now we can fix all together. Our 3DS joystick analog stick is ready. This is the whole process that how RG350 replaced with 3DS joystick. I hope you all enjoy for it. Today's video we will end here. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.